We picked a little bit of a dud time to come to Auckland. It's hay season here, and so everyone's out picking up hay bales. I think I'm going to go out and give them a hand. I think I'm appropriately dressed. You can pick up hay in shorts, right? Good morning and welcome back to Adventures with Rosie, and welcome to a rather gloomy day here in Auckland. We're up here for a couple more nights. We're staying in Clark's Beach. Yesterday was alright. The sun actually came out and they got the hay in at the farm we're staying in. We went to the beach for a bit, so it was a really nice day. And today we had a whole lot of plans to go out and about, and it's cloudy and raining, so it's been a real mixed bag this Christmas of weather, rain and sunshine, and yeah, a bit odd. So I think we're just going to chill out today. Tomorrow we head back down to Taupo for New Year's Eve. Today's the 30th. My parents are having a big party at their house, and it's actually their last kind of hurrah in their house. They've bought a tiny home, which I'm super excited to show you guys. Actually, going to take the camera over there and do a bit of a tour. They're moving in a few weeks into a 18 square meter tiny home, which is, it's gorgeous. So I can't wait to show you guys that, give you a full tour of that. I think we're going to hang out today, find a playground maybe to tire the kids out, and a bit of caravan maintenance today. Well, not maintenance, just day-to-day stuff. We've got to empty the cassette because that's full, and I just had a shower and the shower didn't completely drain, so I have a feeling I need to empty the grey water tank too. Well, seeing the weather here is terrible, Harvey and I thought we'd head into Burnsco and do a little bit of shopping. We have been in the market for one of these. Should we open it up?
Yes, let's do it. I opened it up. I did it out when I got it out. I did it out. No. Steady. No.
What is it?
What we open this? Look. Look, Daddy. I took this off. Look.
Nice work. One thing we've been finding mildly annoying in Rosie is the grey tank. I mean, it's just caravanning and RVing, isn't it? The grey tank's going to fill up, showers, that sort of thing. So I guess it's a little bit annoying if we're in the same spot for like 3, 4, 5 days. To empty our grey tank, we've got to hook up the caravan, drive it to a dump station. I know you guys watching in America, a lot of your campsites have the full sewer hookups, but that's pretty uncommon here in New Zealand. So we bought this little 40 litre rollaway tank. It should fit nicely in the external storage, if I measured it correctly. And should just allow me to put a bit of grey water from our tanks in here, chuck it in the back of the car, and then you know, go and dump it in our own time. So We've actually got a full grey tank now, so should we give it a turn? Should we go outside and give it a go?
I'm looking in here.
He's looking in there? Okay, I think we're going to give it a crack, see how well it works, see how heavy it is as well. I figured 40 litres is probably the most I want to be lifting in and out of the car. Well, that seemed to work really well. Doesn't seem to be too heavy, and it fits in the locker perfectly, so I didn't muck those measurements up, which is good. The one thing downside, I guess, is it's probably not self-contained or doesn't meet those standards, just poking the hose in the container. I might have to get a fitting. I know you can get replacement caps that have the bayonet fitting. Also, my hose is like 3 meters long, and so it didn't really work to have the container right up close. So maybe what I need is like a 1 or 2 foot section of hose with proper clips at each end that I can empty it into, and I'm not worried about splashing it around a campground or something. So I'll look into that next, but for now it seems to be a good solution, so pretty happy with that. So that's us. Our time here at Clark's Beach in Auckland is done. We're going to make our way south now and head back down towards Taupo. We're going to find somewhere along the way to stop, have a coffee, find some sunnier weather hopefully. It's first day here, it hasn't been raining, but it's still very grey. So we're going to go and find some sunnier weather, hopefully take the drone for a spin and find a coffee. Let's get on the road. Well, we found the sunshine. Fancy that. We leave Auckland, we come about an hour and a half south and back into beautiful summer weather. We've just stopped off for a quick bite to eat, got a nice park here in this domain, and we're right next to a lake actually, a big lake, Lake Karapiro. And I think I might get the drone up and we'll have a sneaky look at the dam, I reckon.